Hi Techies, welcome to Local Techies. I'm Amrit Belala and I will be your instructor throughout this course on Python programming. And let's dive into it quickly. The agenda of this video is to provide a brief intro on Python and some of its features and limitations and various application areas where Python is used for development and some of the famous flavors of Python and at last Python versions. Let's start with the introduction to Python. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in the year 1989 at Mathematical Research Institute called Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica, located at Netherlands. But officially, Python was made available to public only in February 20, 1991. And why it is named as Python? Guido was one of the biggest fans of a comedy TV show called The Complete Monty Python Flying Circus, broadcasted by BBC in the year 1969 to 1974. So he decided to keep the name Python for his programming language. Why Python is most popular nowadays? Python is general purpose high level programming language, which means that it can be used for writing softwares for wide variety of application domains, and it is a human friendly language rather than mission friendly. Let's see some of the features of Python. Python is famous for its wide variety of available features. Some of them are as follows. Python is simple, which means that Python is a simple programming language when compared to other programming languages. We can write Python programs with less number of lines, hence we can improve readability and simplicity. Next, open source. Python source code is open, which means that we can customize based on our requirements. High level. Python is a high level programming language and hence it is programmer friendly language. Platform independent. Python is a platform independent language, which means that we can write a Python program, it can run on any platform without rewriting once again. Portability. Python programs are portable, which means that we can migrate from one platform to another platform very easily. Python programs will provide same results on any platform. Interpreter, which means that we are not required to compile Python programs explicitly. Internally, Python interpreter will take care of that compilation. If compilation fails, interpreter writes syntax errors. Once compilation success, then Python virtual machine is responsible to execute. Extensible. We can use other language programs in Python. The main advantage of this approach are we can use already existing legacy non-Python code. We can improve performance of the application. Object oriented. Python is an object oriented language like C++. Let's see some of the limitations of Python. Python, when compared to other programming languages like C and C++, it is very slow. And since it is an interpreted language, it cannot be used for mobile computing. Python also comes with some design restrictions. Say, if an application X is developed with one version of package and application Y with another, then currently there is no clean way for handling this. Let's see some of the applications of Python. Since Python is a general purpose programming language, we can write softwares for various application domains. We can use Python for writing code for desktop application, web application, and database application. And also it can be used for data analysis for performing cleaning activities on data and data visualization also. And also it is used for developing games. Let's see some of the most popular flavors of Python. Since Python is an open source project, we can customize the source code as per our requirement. The top in the list comes is CPython. It is a standard flavor of Python. It can be used to work with C language application. The second in the list is Ruby Python for working in Ruby platforms. The third is PyPy. The main advantage of PyPy is performance will be improved because JIT compiler is available inside Python virtual machine. Next comes the Iron Python. It is for C# .NET platform. Next, the JPython or Jython. It is for Java application. It can run on JVM. The last comes the Anaconda. It is specially designed for handling large volume of data processing. Let's see what are the various versions of Python. Till date, Python organization has released three major versions of Python. They are Python version 1.0, version 2.0, version 3.0. The important thing to note in this is Python 3 won't provide backend compatibility to Python 2. That is, there is no guarantee that Python 2 programs will run in Python 3. This is because most of the syntax, methods, packages present in version 2.0 has been modified in version 3.0. Thanks for watching this video. For any queries, comment below. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.